Hey guys, what we're going to be looking at today is elapsed time. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a T-chart, which, have you shown T-charts before? I feel like it's called T-chart because it looks like a T. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at the bottom of our screen here. And it says we have a start time of 2 o'clock and an elapsed time of 1 hour and 35 minutes. And it keeps running. So, alright guys, so what it is, we put our 2 o'clock here at the very top. And what I'm going to do is this first T-chart will be my hours. So I'm going to label and know that this will be hours. And since it says that I have an elapsed time of 1 hour and 35 minutes, all I'm going to do is under here, I'm going to put plus 1 hour. And then out to the side, if it was 2 o'clock and I add an hour, I know it would have to be 3 o'clock. Now, if I look at my elapsed time, it says 1 hour. Then it also says 35 minutes. So what I need to do is take 3 o'clock right here, and I'm going to rewrite that on the top. Alright guys, now what we're going to do is we're going to add our minutes. So again, if you want to, we got to go up 35 minutes. Some of you may be comfortable jumping 30 minutes. Some of you may be comfortable with 5. What I'm going to do is start with 30 minutes. And then I know that if it's 3 o'clock and add 30 minutes, then my new time would be 3:30. And then if I'm going, and you might want to change it and put your minutes. Well, you might want to put your minutes over here where you're adding and then your new time. So then I still have to add 5 more minutes. So I would do plus 5 minutes now. So now I can go back and look, it would be 3:35. And if I look at my elapsed time, I know that I've added 1 hour and I've added 35 minutes. So my end time would be 3:35.